Just a few years ago, humanoid robots were more about spectacle than substance. They looked futuristic, sure, but they couldn't do much outside of demos and tech shows. That's no longer the case. A new wave of robots is stepping into the real world, taking on real work. In this video, we're looking at how humanoid robots are becoming functional team members in hospitals, on factory floors, in shipyards, and even in security roles. From Foxconn and NVIDIA's smart nursing bot to rugged outdoor machines like Titan. These aren't just concept bots, they're working prototypes, many already in deployment. Let's take a closer look at what might be the start of the humanoid labor revolution. Let's begin with Neurobot, one of the biggest reveals from Computex, developed by Foxconn, NVIDIA, and Kawasaki. This isn't just a hospital bot that rolls trays around. Neurobot has advanced perception, navigation, and language skills, and it learns. It can check patient vitals, guide them through the hallways, deliver meals and meds, and even adapt its behavior to fit daily routines. If someone's heart rate spikes, it flags the issue instantly. If a patient tends to wake up at a certain hour, Neurobot adjusts to assist them proactively. It's being tested in partnership with Taichung Veterans General Hospital in Taiwan and is designed to reduce nurse burnout, tackle staffing shortages, and improve elderly care. It gets smarter over time. Nurses appreciate the help with repetitive tasks, while patients say it's comforting to have a presence that feels almost human. Meanwhile, in Singapore, security and facilities company Certes is testing its first humanoid robot, made by a gibbet. It's not on full patrol yet. It's part of a research project, but the bot is designed for face-to-face interaction and eventually working alongside human staff in customer service and security roles. Certes is already using service bots and surveillance units, but this is their first full humanoid model. Instead of rushing things, they're carefully studying how people react, how the bot integrates into daily operations, and how it fits into their orchestration system, Mozart, which already manages facilities and personnel. In the US, Texas-based startup Persona AI is charging forward with serious momentum. With $27 million in funding and a team of ex-NASA and Figure AI engineers, they're building robots tough enough for shipyards and outdoor industrial zones, places that chew up human workers and are hard to automate. Persona is targeting high-risk, labor-intensive work like welding, inspections, and lifting heavy parts. But they're not selling these bots outright. Instead, they're going with the robotics-as-a-service model, where companies rent what they need and Persona takes care of updates and maintenance. They've already inked a deal with HD Hyundai, the world's largest shipbuilder, to start deploying humanoids in real-world shipyard environments within the next 18 months. Another game-changer is Titan from RoboForce, a robot designed for dirty, dangerous, and physically demanding jobs. Think solar farms in extreme weather, mining sites, or even off-planet construction one day. Titan has swappable parts, wheels or tracks depending on the terrain, and can perform a range of tasks using just 5 fundamental actions. That's enough to handle most industrial work. It's incredibly precise, down to a millimeter, and can lift up to 40 kilograms. It runs for 8 hours on a single charge and is already being piloted in several sectors, from space tech to manufacturing. RoboForce recently raised $15 million and is scaling up its operations in Silicon Valley. On the academic side, Carnegie Mellon University has made a breakthrough with a system called Falcon. It solves a major robotics challenge: how to apply force while walking and keeping balance, something humans do without thinking. Falcon uses a 2 AI system, one for arms, one for legs, that work together in real time, letting robots perform complex tasks like opening doors or pulling loads without falling over. Early tests on humanoid robots like Unitree G1 and Booster T1 show massive improvements in force control and balance. While it still has limitations, like difficulty with twisting motions or full-body interactions, it's a huge leap toward making robots viable in chaotic, unpredictable environments. So, what we're seeing isn't just technological progress. It's a shift in how we think about labor itself. Robots are no longer stuck in labs or locked in showrooms. They're working in hospitals, factories, shipyards, and cities, filling in where humans are overworked, overwhelmed, or in short supply. These machines aren't about replacing us. They're here to support us, to take over the tedious, risky, and exhausting jobs, and free us up for work that actually requires human judgment, creativity, and care. Whether it's Neurobot offering compassionate care, Titan handling the heavy lifting, or Falcon making robots truly agile, one thing's clear. The age of real humanoid labor has begun. The only question is, how ready are we for it? If you found this video insightful, drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more updates on the future of work, AI, and robotics.